Hi guys, happy new year. My name is Sere. Welcome back to another year. It's 2021. A lot of you guys have been requesting for an eyebrow tutorial, and to be honest, I have just never really figured out how to do it right. Yeah, every time I tried, it backfired on me. In case of any background noise, I do apologize for that. Decent. Yeah, so that's what I use. It looks like that. It's a little thick. Now, please note that I do not have much eyebrows to work with. These are my natural eyebrows. I have not shaved here. Please be nice. So I'm just going to use this tool and brush my eyebrows upwards. Ensure to just follow how your eyebrows are naturally, like the shape of your eyebrows. You don't want to look different when you take your makeup off. Don't really pay much attention to the details, just fill it in. And this is just a quick way of doing it. So there, I have one eyebrow down. Next. Damn. Now I'll show you what we'll do with that. Get ready to just line it. Now this is where perfection comes in, and with time you'll be able to. The upper part doesn't need to be as loaded. And then I don't like my ends too sharp or too low because it just looks so unrealistic. My goodness. Go in and just blend that. All right. So just blend that out. Do not be scared. Foundation's gonna do the magic later on. Yeah, I'm gonna tell you guys to use your finger now. Just smoothen the sides. Just smoothen it like that. Okay, see what that does? When I'm going to work, I don't usually do the whole like full face makeup routine. Make sure your blender is a bit damp before applying foundation. I don't do a lot of foundation when I'm going to work. I just feel like that's a bit too much. I like to wear foundation in such a way that people don't notice that I have foundation on. Okay, so that's the whole idea for when you're going to work. People don't necessarily focus on your makeup, but they can tell you put in some work and you look decent. Not to say that you wouldn't if you had your, natural face on. Go over the eyebrows again because we've obviously messed them up a bit. It looks like this on the inside, so I'm just going to use this brush to tap a bit. This takes me if I'm being honest, approximately 10 minutes of my morning. Um, but if you're fast enough, you could do this in 5 minutes. But that's after you've gotten used to your eyebrows, okay? If not, take your time, take your 10 minutes and just work on it. I'll go in here on my eyelid, on my under eyelid or something. So I'll just pull back a bit. I'm not using a mirror, I'm using the camera. My phone camera, by the way. Never worry about the mistakes you make at first. You always get to learn. Basically, it's a nude from Joanna K Cosmetics. So I'll go in with that. Go to the end, and now blend. Now it takes a bit of time to dry because it's giving you time to work on your lips. I'm just gonna pour in my random mascara. I can't remember the name because imefutika, but this is how my mascara looks like. Just ensuring the powder doesn't show on the eyelashes. Just use this again to just brush your eyebrows upwards, you know. It's gonna settle on its own and you're done. Now the last step to this everyday makeup look is the makeup fix. You can never forget the makeup fix. It fixes your makeup. Shake it a little bit and from a distance. Can you or can you not tell that I have makeup on? Can you or can you not tell that I have makeup on? You cannot, darling. This is magic. I practically magically looked natural and good. Alright, this is in no way sponsored by Joanna K Cosmetics. I just bought this as a gift to myself and hey, it's mine. Let's sip some soda. Not healthy for you. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this has helped you guys. This is worth your time. I kid you not, if you follow this routine on a daily basis, slowly by slowly, you're going to hack it, okay? Good luck in your adventure. And yeah, I wish you nothing but the best with your eyebrows, honestly. Happy New Year, and thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to subscribe. Do not forget to share it with family and friends. Do not forget to comment down below on what videos you'd like for me to do this year, because I'd like to be so consistent. Yeah, and please subscribe. I'm gonna enable a feature where you guys can actually see how many subscribers I have. I think that's what I'm going to work on this year because I don't have many subscribers. But yeah, please do support your girl. Thank you so much. This is Sere. Bye.